Hi, welcome back to class. Today we're going to be talking about growing patterns. Last class we were talking about this in person, so today I decided why not make a review video for you all because you have assignments that you're going to need this on. And parents, if you just make sure that your child is locked in and watching and staying engaged in this video and this activity, then that would be great. So, we're going to start by asking ourselves, what are growing patterns? A growing pattern is defined as a sequence of numbers, shapes, or objects that increase or changes in a predictable way with each step. So, let's write that down. A sequence that changes and changes, and we're going to put in parentheses, increasing. Let's step this way so that you can still see. And these are predictable changes. Okay, so today we're going to go over 3 different types of patterns. It's going to be 3 different growing patterns. So first, we're going to start off with numbers. So if we have a pattern that goes 2, 4, 6, 8, we have to recognize what is changing here or how much the numbers are increasing or decreasing. In this situation, since it is growing patterns, the number tends to increase. And let's see, it goes from 2 to 4. What plus 2 equals 4? Or you could do 4 minus 2. So as we see here, it increased by 2. So let's add. Let's just make sure that we have the right number by making sure that 4 plus 2 equals 6. Is that correct? Make sure that you reply yes or no. Okay, so that is. And if that's correct, then that means 6 plus 2 equals 8, right? Yeah. So now we have to do 8 plus 2, and that will get us our missing number in the pattern. Let's see, 8 plus 2, well, 9, 10. So the number that was missing was 10. And if we wanted to keep going, we could add 2 to 10 and get 11, 12. But okay, we're going to stop there and move to a different type of pattern. Let's see. We were given some shapes. I said that we're going to do at least 3 examples. So we were given triangle, circle, triangle. That's the first set that they revealed to us. And the next set, they did triangle, circle, circle. Next, they gave us triangle, circle, 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 triangle. So, they want you to complete the next set of patterns. So if we look back at the beginning, we started with one triangle to begin with, then a circle. So there is one circle here. Go down to the next pattern. You see that there are 2 circles in the next one. So it increased by 2 here. It increased by 1 here. Then once we went down to the third row that they revealed to us, it says triangle, circle, circle, circle. So it increased by another one. So in the fourth one, we should give them triangle, circle 1, circle 2, circle 3, and add one more because you're in the fourth row now. So you should have 4 circles in between the 2 triangles. Let's try row 5. We have triangle, circle 1, circle 2, circle 3, circle 4, circle 5, and end it with a triangle. So do you see how this pattern has grown with the circles? You see how it increases as you go down the line? So let's just make sure that we are keeping that in mind. And yeah, that will be all for the video today. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Make sure that if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email, or you could ask me in person because this is a kindergarten class. So ask me in person, or you could email me or ask your parent to email me. Parents, this is the review activity. Thank you so much for watching.